Sorry, Mom. What's up, guys? Today we're back with another Boxycharm unboxing. I did not bring scissors. 1 second. Okay, this is like super duper late. What day is it even? You know, late July for an unboxing. But, you know, that's just me. This is a sale till August 3rd. Good. Ready for a flash facial. Flash facial? Sounds like a tongue twister. This is a Boxycharm Au Naturel. And looks like, let's go into it. Oh, this is already very interesting. Look at the packaging on that. It's like recycled cardboard or something. Or it looks like it, you know. Craft paper. This is brushes. How would you pronounce that? Gaia? I don't know. But these are the brushes. It's 3 of them, it looks like, because it says what's in there. Brushes include Luxie 250 large eye blending, Luxie 246 precision crease. I love eye brushes. And then Luxie 510 foundation brush. If this is a paddle brush, like foundation, and it is, it fell on the floor. Ooh, it's very soft though, but I don't use these. I don't know anyone that does, and I don't know what you would use these for besides like face masks, applying any type of skincare. And then the other 2 brushes in here. Oh, this is a little different. So the Luxie brushes are all like a plasticky handle. This is like a tinted or painted wood handle. This is a very large blending brush. I feel like I've been getting a lot of large blending brushes lately. And then this is, what was this? Precision crease brush. I use this typically to highlight my brow bones or put an inner highlight on. I didn't put an inner highlight on today, guys. Whoops. Oopsies. If I see something in here, I'll pop some on. This is the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. Advanced skincare. If you're gonna have a prebiotic, you should have a probiotic. So please have both. Or use it right before a probiotic. So this is a super green mask formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. Okay, I don't really like masks, to be honest with you. I should, I guess, but I feel like they don't ever do as much as they should for me, or you have to be too consistent with it, and I'd just rather be a little bit more consistent with my daily skincare than sitting around with mask on for 10 minutes a day. But honestly, this looks really inviting. Does it not look inviting? Like, I feel like I want to use this, so I am going to try to use this. It says apply mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. That's not bad. That's not every day. I don't think they're supposed to be every day. Don't quote me on this. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp dark cloth. I'm probably just gonna rinse it off. Next in here, ooh, what is this? Butter London. This is the reason the box is shaped so weird, because of this. Oh, this looks so cute. Does this not look super cute? I want to put this where I keep my makeup, like right now. This is so cute. This is the Butter London. Oh my god, I haven't told you any of the prices. I'll tell you all at the end. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Do we have an inner corner? We even have a mirror in here. That's cute. Okay, these colors are pretty cute. I'm afraid they won't be that pigmented. I really am drawn to this one right here, of course, the blue. Ignore the patchiness. I think that was just my hand skipping. Ooh. All the foiled ones always look so nice. Most of the time. See, I'm really concerned about this green one. Oh, but it's actually a little bit metallic-y, shimmery, so it actually does show up. Ooh, this queen one's really pretty, probably for like an everyday color. Whoa, that came out so well. Whoa. Now I ran out of fingers. I'm gonna use a knuckle. Does anyone use their knuckle? Is that just me? This was the last one right here. Ooh, these are actually really pretty. Nothing I would really use as an inner corner highlight, but I'm so obsessed with this right now. I want to use this. I want to use this so bad. I guess I could put some Enchantress on my inner corner. Ignore my glasses padding, whatever marks. This doesn't seem like it would be light enough, but it actually is light enough to highlight. Just a teeny bit. I don't think you guys have ever seen me with glasses on, but I ran out of contacts and I haven't ordered new ones yet. Well, actually I did. I ordered colored contacts, but now that I ordered those, I actually want to order more of them and then just do like a comparison on which ones I do want to wear like as my everyday. If you didn't know my other videos, I did wear some color contacts before. Those did get old, so I needed to throw them out and buy a new one, so you know, looking for some. This is a wooden gel liner that I think I'm going to hate. This is a Peel in the shade Deep Taupe. I do want to see what color that is because anything that is taupe I love. Oh, I just scratched the shit out of that. Oh well. That is the deepest taupe I've seen in my life. Ooh, it's very creamy, very nice. That's the deepest taupe, the warmest taupe I've seen in my life. Not the warmest, but pretty deep. It's got a lot of wax in here, like beeswax and Caranuba wax. Okay, so that might deal with how creamy that felt. This is the last thing in here. Tell me this doesn't look like the e.l.f. like molten liquid eyeshadow. That's what I thought this was, to be honest. But this is the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss in Tesoro, I think is the one I have. This was the last item, so I can look at this now. Yes, it's the Mother of Pearl Gloss. I got the shade Tesoro. This was $10. The gel liner was $21. What? The Luxie brush set was $30 for the 3. The Butter London was $32. I love it. I think I need to see how it performs on the eyes. And then the Elemis Veggie mask was $35. I used to try to always do all the math in my head to prove how Asian I am, but I got tired of looking like a fool or taking too long, to be honest. If my mom ever watched these videos, she'd be like, you didn't do that in 5 seconds? Sorry, mom. Okay, this box was $128. I do want to throw this gloss on really quickly. It looks interesting. It looks like a topper. Thankfully, there was a palette this month. I love palettes in Boxycharms, if you didn't know that yet. Oh, that's a very interesting color. It's not going well with the lipstick I was wearing. Ooh, for a second I thought it smelled like a pina colada. In which case I would have been very excited. So this is a very metallic like lip topper, it looks like. It doesn't feel like a lip gloss at all. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not bad for $10. I don't know though. That was the box for this month of July. Let me tell you what... Whoa. Let me tell you what I am excited about. I freaking love this. I think the blue and the green, like most palettes that attempt color, aren't going to be the greatest, unfortunately. At least the way they swatch. The green really reminds me of one of the eyeshadows that I got in a Pure Eyeshadow Cosmetic, Pure Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, one of the other months, but it might be a little bit more pigmented than that one. This one I just adore and love so far. I haven't tried it on my eyes yet, but I am very excited to try this out. This, for some reason, makes me excited. I don't know why. It just looks inviting to use. Like, it doesn't look super elevated and elegant or anything like that. It just looks inviting and I want to use it. I always love brushes. Not really this one. I don't use this one ever because, like I said, I don't really use face masks. Everything else that I do with my skin, like skincare, I typically use my hand, so I don't like this. Not really. But I love eye brushes. Like, if I can get any brush, I want eye brushes. I just love them. Oh, my hair is just a mess. Where does that leave us? I have a clementine that I was supposed to eat here, and I just saw it out of the corner of my eye, and it makes me really want to eat it. So I'm gonna finish this on up, eat that clementine, and you know, go on with my day. This and then this are kind of like towards the bottom. I don't hate the way my lips look right now. Actually, this looks like it'd be pretty cute in the summertime. Just very, very metallic. I've been kind of into metallic lately, not as much, not really, you know. I'm adventuring with the metallics. I'm allowing it into my collection. But yeah, that was the month of July. Let me know if you got a funky wonky box and if you got the same things that I did. I don't know if you got a variation. What did you get? Do I wish I had gotten that one? I don't know. But yeah, that's what I got in my box for July. So I hope you enjoyed opening this with me. I hope you liked your box this month. Sorry if there was a lot of glare from my glasses, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna get my contacts soon. And other than that, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time, and bye.